Tessa the other day sa Red Cross ball, and she was the one that got me to spend.
Yes.
Yeah, no,
300.
that's for a good cause. So, at alam na alam niya na it's something that I'd be willing to do kasi traveling din yun, and at the same time I get to give back to those who need help. I wasn't supposed to be able to make it. I was on my way to Tagaytay, but I really like the show. I really want to support the show, Five, and of course Tessa for allowing us to use her home to promote our show. And I guess that's how confident we are with this show, that we want to hit the entire market. The quality of work of For Love or Money is exceptional. Para siyang pelikula. So, hindi kami takot na ipakita sa lahat ng tao kung gaano kaganda itong show namin. And from the turnout and the reception of the preview, they seem to like it. So it's exciting to see how it's going to do again this Thursday.
Ito po dito sa party, ma'am, parang ang focus nito ay yung mga older women or ano. Bakit po yun yung market na ina-attract?
Older ba? Ay, sino naman some young.
Sabi po mga cougars daw, to quote Miss Tessa.
Cougars?
Opo.
Kasi it's because of the character of Alice na nakita niya si Derek pagkatapos. Actually, ang ganda kasi nung pag-unfold ng story. Kung bakit siya na-attract kay Derek at bakit niya babayaran ng ganung kalaking halaga. Samantalang she's rich, she's beautiful. Diba? Ang dami naman niyang pwedeng maging ka-relationship. Pero bakit si Derek? So may story.
May story, oo. Ayun.
Siyempre si Tessa, with all the ang ano niya naman sa parties and fun themes of parties. Yun yung crowd na in-invite niya. Tessa's always a darling. And she really went out of her way. Hindi lang ito, kung naka-Halloween na yung house niya. She themed it differently tonight. It's kinda edgy also. Tapos, very daring. Ang ganda nga na nangyayari doon eh. Umalis ako, baka maging victim. Ganon. And, everybody naman will fall in love with Derek.